This is a project that's really trying to understand how dairy farming systems can be more environmentally sustainable. Ask the question, can a dairy farm sequester as much carbon as they emit? Can a dairy farm be net zero?
Our role is to really quantify the gas emissions and soil health alongside these practices, to put some numbers to what's going on the farm, and also those impacts that extend off the farm, so things like runoff into Lake Champlain. Mostly looking at reducing greenhouse gas emissions and improving water quality.
These measurements we do help us understand how the farm is affecting those soils, and then how those soils can help pay the farm back with productivity. More resilience to extreme storms, which of course we're seeing more and more of here in Vermont. We're asking all these questions, and it takes a tremendous amount of data to help answer those questions.
We're using soil probes to take about 1-inch diameter soil samples, and we're taking them at 2 different depths. We would expect to see a lot of nitrous oxide pulses. This is really what we're concerned about. We're seeing a lot of standing water and increased soil moisture compared to the other sites.
We have some soil sensors that are placed throughout the management areas that are recording soil data continuously, kind of snapshots in time. Really kind of a complicated way of saying how much water can these soils hold during a droughty period, to hold on to rainfall and help those crops make it through that dry period.
It's a big project, and there's a lot of people on this project. It's a cool mix of grad students, undergrads, interns, technicians, research specialists.
Fully understand the value of having an enjoyable workplace where there's a lot of good energy and passionate about their work. I have the utmost, highest respect possible for people who work the land. To be able to work with those farmers and contribute in a very small way to local food production is really gratifying to me.
I think there's huge parallels between agriculture and climate change and natural resources and water quality, and it's all very much connected.
There's no question that soil is the most valuable resource on the farm. If we lose our soils, they take years, in some cases hundreds of years, to build back. How do we conserve those soils and maximize the health of those soils, help push the science forward, ensuring that we're caring for the land with our farming systems and water for future generations I think it makes it all worthwhile.